Hi everyone, it's Dagi from Hot Power Vlog. As I promised you yesterday, I continue today with my quails voliere again. In the background you can see already the new home for the quails babies. And today I made with Felix this electricity here so that we have a light here inside of the shed. This one is a timer. So for winter time that they can have enough light here inside of the shed because it's getting earlier dark. I also made here on top another wire, so yeah, that it's on its place here. Yeah, let's go into it. So today I already started with this little barrier here, so that the sand can, and it will be a mixture of earth, ground, sand and ashes, I think. So I made this little barrier here. The quails can come inside here when they are big enough, and then they can fly over it here. So I don't think that there is a problem. Maybe I make a little board so that they can go over a bridge. But yeah, I don't know at the moment. This is Mark here. Hi, Mark. He's looking what I'm doing here. I made a little board, a little table here already. So I have some boxes here, and they will become my feeder. I saw a video from Kevin from Living Traditions Homestead. Thank you for this idea. I want to try to make it, and yeah, let's go into this. So Kevin made out of a box like this one and a big PVC pipe another feeder, because he said he doesn't like that the quails are wasting so much food, and for me, I don't like this too. I think everyone doesn't like it, so I try to make his idea in a little different way, because I want to use a smaller PVC pipe and getting bigger than here with these reducers here, so that I can put this one on top. And yeah, let's see if it works. This is how the box looks like now. Unfortunately, it broke a little bit here on this left hole, but yeah, it's okay for the first try. On the other side there are two holes too, and I want to put this pipe now inside of this hole, and then I have to glue it. And here is my self-made feeder. Yay! I made it a bit different than Kevin was doing it in his own video when he explained it. Yeah, if you want to look for his version, you should go on Living Traditions Homestead on YouTube. I will make a link inside the description too. And yeah, this is how my home for the quail babies look like now. So this is coming here inside. Then I want to make a holder so that it's stabilized here on top. And if it's empty, I put it completely outside for filling up. And yeah, a lot of thanks for Kevin for his idea, for sharing it, and I hope this works too. So the only thing I need for the quails now is something for drinking, and but I think I will do it tomorrow or buy it tomorrow. I don't know at the moment. Maybe I do something on my own again. Let's look what I'm doing. And yeah, I finish now and get already a bit hyped for tomorrow, because tomorrow we pick up the baby quails. So I hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, give a big thumb up, and click on the bell button so that you can get notifications for further videos. And yeah, till tomorrow. Bye.